Chris Martin sang in Italian, and what most people missed is not just that he did it, but why he sounded so good. Better than many other Italian singers, in my opinion. This shows one thing: Anglophones can speak Italian more than simply okay. So in this video I'm going to show you the trick he used so that by the end Italian words feel easier to say, your pronunciation sounds cleaner, and those difficult words stop tripping you up every time you open your mouth. Let's start. I've seen this with so many learners. Most learners look at a difficult Italian word and try to push straight through the spelling. That feels normal, but that is usually where the struggle begins. Because your eyes are looking at letters, but your mouth needs sound. Chris Martin knows this. And people who are really good at learning by ear know it too. They do not start with the spelling. They start by turning the word into sound. So when a word feels difficult, rewrite it phonetically in a way your mouth can actually follow. Not perfectly, usefully. So instead of just staring at famiglia, you write fa-mi-ya. That already makes the word feel much lighter. But on its own, that is still not enough, because you can know the sounds and still sound off if the stress lands in the wrong place. But even doing that, your Italian will still be shaky if you ignore the next step. Mark the part of the word that carries the weight. Now the word starts to sound more Italian, but even that is still not enough. Because when a word is long, your mouth can still freeze even when you know the sounds and the stress. So here is your next step. Build the word backwards. Start from the end, then add one piece at a time. With famiglia, ya, mi, fa. Now your mouth is not dealing with the whole word at once, and that changes everything. But there is still one more thing missing. Because even a word you can say can still sound stiff if it has no rhythm. So step number 4, do what singers do. Chris Martin did this. Whisper it, say it with movement. Because language is not just sound, it is timing. And that is probably one big reason Chris Martin sounded so natural. Not because he magically became Italian, but because he treated the language like sound before, he treated it like text, and then added movement, playing the guitar. So the lesson is simple. When a difficult Italian word shows up, do not just read it like a student, break it down like a singer. Write it phonetically, mark the stress, build it backwards if needed, then give it rhythm. That is how hard Italian starts feeling easier. That is how your pronunciation improves, and that is how you stop suffering every time a difficult word shows up. Now, I've said a lot, but if you really want to learn Italian, still one technique from this video, use it for 7 days and see what it does to your Italian. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!